What's up, guys? So today I wanted to show you a new piece of tech that I needed in this house of ours. And right now I'm in my son's playroom. He had a birthday party, kids running all throughout the house and outside. They made this mess. We got to clean it up now. But at the same time, this is the place where we need to install a camera. You know what I mean? Just in case, because you know stuff happens. Kids playing here. You don't want anyone to get hurt. You don't want like little Cash climbing these little shelves here. So this video is being brought to you by an awesome gadget, which I'm going to review for you today. And let me just show you really quick. We're in the process of setting up all the cameras. So we are going to put cameras on the outside and in this playroom to enhance the security for us, so we feel better throughout the day, and especially if we want to leave the house and we know things are secure. This is the ZOSI security camera equipment here. The box that I got came with 2 cameras, so we actually want to nail this to the wall. But for right now, so I can show you guys, we're going to keep it here. One of the awesome features with this is that there could be some conversation going. So if I see Cash playing here and he's trying to climb the window or he's trying to flip his car over, I can actually speak to him through this camera. He can hear me and hopefully he doesn't do bad stuff. Box that it came in. So as you can see, it comes with 2 cameras, the tablet, which I'm about to show you right now. Plus, guys, you can actually see all the footage from your phone, which is amazing. A quick little QR code so you can download the app. It's in 1080 HD. The picture is amazing. And it actually comes with good packaging, so everything came super secure. I took everything out already. So I have 2 cameras currently set up. This is the playroom, and I'm currently trying to set up the best angle for the front door. And what's awesome is that currently I have it plugged in for it to start working, so it has no batteries in it. But you can put batteries in it so you can walk around all throughout the house. It has a great signal, and it has these 2 awesome antennas just to give you the best picture possible. And the crazy part is when I turned on the cameras and I turned on the tablet, it just worked. Like the wireless cameras just almost instantly connected to the tablet. There was like no setup on my part, and I automatically started seeing the feed from each camera. Obviously, you can add as many cameras as you like. All that information will be on their website for you if you want to go check it out for yourself. But it has motion detection, wireless cameras, remote viewing from your phone. Like, this is exactly what our house needed to up our security. So whether you want to try to secure your home, or this would actually be great for a business, whether it be an office or maybe like a mom and pop type store, I highly recommend this product. So I'm gonna leave a link for additional information so you can go check it out, maybe buy one for yourself, and then maybe do your own research. I personally love it. I feel so much secure now. I can talk to my little boy Cash in the playroom and tell him, no, please drop that fork if he has one, or whatever bad stuff he's doing. Hey, Cash, what are you doing? Cash, look, turn around. Cash, turn around. So I hope you guys enjoyed that review. Like I said, all the information about this awesome security system will be down below in the description. Go check it out for yourself.